Typically, when I'm preparing canned tuna, is to do it in one of two ways. It's either stewing it to make my mother's stewed tuna recipe, or I do in tuna paste to make sandwiches. These tuna meatballs is something I like to prepare when I'm feeling for tuna, but I want to go off the beaten path and do something a little fancy. It's simple ingredients, simple prep, but a really great outcome. Let me get into this. I'm gonna dice one onion, 3 pimentos, 1 jalapeno for some heat. You could also use Scotch bonnet pepper as well. 2 cloves of garlic. And a couple shadow benny leaves. I have some cricks in a pack here. Just gonna mash them up. Now you could use breadcrumbs if you want, but cricks will work just as good. Also crack in 1 egg. Give that a whisk. Now you want to add 2 tins of tuna flakes. Of course, you want to drain out all the excess liquid. Add the beaten egg. And I'm going to season this with some lemon pepper. Now I just want to portion them out into little balls. Form them by hand. So now we have all our tuna meatballs prepped. Next step is to cook them. Going in with a little bit of oil in our pan. So I just want to cook these off 3 at a time. And I just want to cook them until they're nice and brown. And that'll take about 2 to 3 minutes in total for these to cook. Now you could go ahead and eat these tuna meatballs by themselves, but for me the best way to have them is with some pasta. I ain't wasting no time, just gonna dig in and try this. Look at all the seasoning going on inside there. You know this is a tasty tuna meatball. You're getting all that savory flavor from the onion, the garlic, the pimento, a little heat from the jalapeno, a little citrus notes from the lemon pepper. This real winning, real winning. So this is yet another way to take everyday ingredients and turn them into something special. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share. I will post a link to the full recipe in the video description, so look out for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.